Nature. Just hearing the word evokes images of serenity and beauty. The rustling leaves in a gentle breeze, the vibrant colors of a sunset, the soothing sounds of a flowing river, these are the treasures that nature offers us. But have you ever paused to reflect on the deeper significance of nature in our lives? From the air we breathe to the food we eat, nature is not just a backdrop to our existence, it is the very essence of life itself. Yet, in our pursuit of progress, we often forget the crucial role it plays and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Today, we embark on a journey to understand why nature is so vital to our survival, how our actions are endangering this delicate balance, and most importantly, what we can do to protect it. Join us as we explore the intricate relationship between humanity and nature, because when we protect nature, we protect ourselves. Let's discover how we can become stewards of this beautiful planet we call home. The essential role of nature in our lives. Think about the air you breathe, the food you eat, and the water you drink. All of it comes from nature. Trees and plants produce the oxygen we need to survive. A single tree can provide oxygen for up to 2 people every day. And when we talk about the Amazon rainforest, it's not just a forest, it's known as the lungs of the earth, producing 20% of the world's oxygen. Nature gives us food, too, fruits, vegetables, grains, and even the animals we rely on for our nutrition. The rain that waters our crops, the rivers that supply us with fresh water, and the fertile soil that grows our food are all gifts from nature. Without nature, we wouldn't have the basic necessities for life. But nature is more than just our provider, it's our teacher, our healer, and our constant companion, the healing power of nature. Have you ever wondered why we long to escape to the mountains, the beach, or a peaceful forest when life gets stressful? Nature has a unique power to heal our minds and refresh our souls. Studies show that spending time in nature reduces stress, improves mood, and boosts mental well-being. The sound of rustling leaves, the sight of a sunset over the ocean, or the feel of soft grass under our feet, these simple pleasures remind us of the beauty of life itself. Nature offers us a space to breathe, to reflect, and to find peace amidst the chaos of everyday life. How we are destroying nature, but despite all that nature gives us, how are we treating it? The truth is, we are harming nature at an alarming rate. Every day, thousands of acres of forests are cut down, rivers are polluted with chemicals and plastics, and countless species of animals and plants are driven to extinction. Deforestation not only destroys the homes of wildlife but also releases huge amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Our oceans are filled with plastic waste, killing marine life and disrupting entire ecosystems. Air pollution from factories and vehicles is making the air in cities nearly unbreathable. It's like cutting off the very branch we're sitting on. Why we must protect nature. Protecting nature is not just an act of kindness, it's an act of survival. If we continue on this path, we are endangering our own existence. When we pollute our air and water, we are ultimately harming our own health. When we destroy forests, we are inviting more natural disasters like floods, landslides, and droughts. Nature is not something separate from us, it's the foundation on which our lives are built. To protect nature is to protect ourselves and the future of our children. The time to act is now. What can we do to protect nature? Now, you might ask, what can I do? The answer is, a lot. Here are some simple yet powerful steps we can take to make a difference. 1. Plant trees. Planting trees is one of the most effective ways to fight climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, making the air cleaner and healthier. 2. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reducing waste, reusing products, and recycling materials like paper, plastic, and glass can significantly reduce pollution and save natural resources. 3. Avoid plastic. Switching to reusable bags, bottles, and containers can prevent tons of plastic from ending up in our oceans. Say no to single-use plastics and help protect marine life. 4. Conserve water. Simple actions like fixing leaky faucets and using less water can help preserve our freshwater resources. Remember, every drop counts. 5. Support conservation efforts. Support organizations and initiatives that work to protect wildlife and natural habitats. Even small donations or volunteer efforts can make a big impact. 6. Educate and advocate. Share the importance of nature with your friends and family. Encourage them to take action and raise awareness about the need to protect our planet. When more people understand the value of nature, we can create a wave of change. Conclusion: a call to action. Nature is not just a part of our lives, it is life itself. It gives us air to breathe, water to drink, and food to eat. It heals our hearts and inspires our souls. But it's also fragile, and it needs our help now more than ever. Let's promise ourselves that we will do our part to protect this beautiful earth, not just for us, but for the generations to come. Remember, every small action counts, and together, we can make a huge difference. Let's cherish, protect, and nurture nature, because, in the end, nature's survival is our survival.